Never give up.
Never give up, okay? Mom, you want a boba?
Yeah, English. Yeah, I mean, whatever problems you go through, guys, don't give up. We all have problems in life, but don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt yourself. There's always solution for everything.
Oh, to my eye, hold tight.
Yeah, right? There's always solution, but you don't give up on life. Isipin nyo yung mga iiwan ninyo. It's like, wag tayo maging selfish. Once we have kids, we have parents, hindi na natin sarili ang ating buhay. I mean, even me, kahit may trabaho ako, ito napakakandahirap pa rin kumayod. Read your book, please. Jade, are you ready? English, my friend. Are you ready? Yeah. Check the time, how much hours you're gonna spend in your iReady. Yeah, please take care of yourself. Thanks for subscribing.
Okay, want boba?
Okay.
Give it that. Take it, Mom.
Thanks to God. Ayan. Pag may mga anak na tayo, we don't own ourselves. Nicole, mega. Hello. It's so hard.
What is that? Oh! A bean. Oh! You're hot here. Hot. What the heck, Mama? Hey, they're talking about, okay? What the heck? John, body chart, not take the head. Did it eat it? That's the head.
Hello, Isa. Hi.
Oh. Tababa. Booba time. Here, Booba.
What is that?
Booba.
That's Booba?
Yeah, look at that. Booba.
Booba. Oh, strawberry. Oh, Crazy Booba Cafe.
Here you go. Yes. Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, what's up? Booba Dad! Booba!
Booba. Oh, your Crazy Booba Cafe slime.
Oh, Dad.
Try, dami mong mumo ah. Daming baon ni Des ah. Des, ang dami mong baong friends. Angels. Anong ginagawa mo, Chay? Booba. Yeah, Booba, please. Strawberry Booba, please. Purple one, yeah. Yeah. Mix it. Yes, please. Hello, Isa. Daming Momo, Isa. Daming angels ni Isa. Say hi, Isa. Hi, Chai. Yeah, Chai. Yeah, Chai is there watching. Say hi. Chai, say hi, Chai. Chai. And Isa. Say hi, Isa. Hi, Des. Des. Yeah. Isa. Isa. Ano ba yan? Chai. Yeah, Chai.